Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Distinguished guests, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. This morning, we set out to one thing: move social protection from the edge of welfare policy to the center of economic policy. For too long, growth and social assistance have been treated as separate, even competing conversations. The premise that support to the poor is a drain on the economy is deeply rooted. Today, both presentations retired that premise. The message to carry out of this room is simple. A system that reaches over 10 million beneficiaries is not operating to the margin of the economy. It is part of the country's core architecture of resilience, growth, and economic management. The first presentation of today reframed the household and human capital story. The fear that cash makes people work less is not borne out by the global evidence. What we see instead is people continuing to work, and more importantly, a healthier, better educated, more capable future workforce taking shape. These are returns that compound over a generation, even if they don't show up in a single budget year. The second presentation brought this economy-wide story home to Pakistan with rigorous, nationally representative evidence. The core insight is that a transfer does not stop at the household. It circulates through local markets and supply chains, stimulating demand, driving social, local economic activity, and contributing directly to the growth. And as that activity expands, it creates jobs, supporting employment well beyond beneficiaries, with much of it in the labor-intensive local economy. Put together, these are not two separate findings. They are one coherent case. Safety nets protect families and generate measurable returns in growth, jobs, and resilience across the economy. Protection and productivity are not a trade-off, they reinforce each other. We leave today with a sharper strategic frame to Pakistan's next phase of social protection. The priorities are clear at the policy level, and they are number one, carry the economic returns narrative into budget and reform conversations, not just social sector ones. Protect and invest in the delivery backbone and deepen federal-provincial complementarity. And let evidence guide design and investment so the system keeps improving as it scales. The case for investing in Pakistan's safety nets has never been stronger or more urgent, not as a charity, but as a deliberate investment in the country's growth, employment, and economic resilience. Thank you very much.